Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Audacity in 2026. Audacity is a popular audio editor that can be installed on a computer for recording, editing, and processing sound. The installation process is generally simple, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Audacity website. Find the download section and choose the version that matches your operating system. After downloading the installer, open it from your Downloads folder. You should see the Audacity setup process begin. Follow the instructions shown on screen and review the available installation options. Choose the installation location if you want to change where Audacity is stored. Otherwise, you can usually keep the default location and continue through the setup. Allow the installer to copy the required files to your computer. The process should only take a short time, depending on your system. When the installation finishes, launch Audacity. You should see the main editing window with the recording controls, menus, and track workspace. Before recording anything important, check that Audacity can access your microphone and that the correct input device is selected. You can also check the playback device so you can hear your recordings properly. If Audacity doesn't detect your microphone, review your operating system's privacy and audio permissions. Make sure the application has access to the device. You can also explore the settings before starting a project. Adjusting your input and output devices early can prevent problems later. Yeah, it's worth taking a minute to check everything. Once the setup is complete, try making a short test recording and play it back. This confirms that the installation and audio devices are working correctly, and that's how to install Audacity. Download the appropriate installer, follow the setup steps, launch the program, and test your audio devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next